It has been a privilege and honor to have been taught my trade, which built my skilled career by the sacrifices and with the integrity of all the veterans, my supervisors, other journeymen, and fellow apprentices during my 15 years in naval ship repair. The time shared with the active duty personnel working together to keep our fleet in tip top shape encouraged my understanding of why we are a nation with freedom and open dreams that can be reached with our own hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my job shop. My name is Keith, and I'm in here repairing America one project at a time. Today, we're going to combine our artistic capabilities into our project. Our customer has a skid steer, and he's making a new radiator cover, a tail piece for the skid steer, and this is what he's got. Now he's requested that I take and make a new grill for his skid steer, and he came in and he wanted the American flag. But once I showed him my Patriot attitude, one of my creations I've done quite a few years ago, which is real popular, and it was also requested to be into my stickers and my ball caps and so on, and I still ship them out all over the place. Anyhow, he saw my Patriot attitude and he fell in love with it, and he goes, "Can you make this work?" So let's go into the plasma cam and I'm going to show you what I came up with, and we're going to cut this grill out for my customer and get it ready so that he can incorporate it into his project. I got you zoomed into the plasma cam screen here, and you can see the shape of the Patriot attitude within a array of straight line bars, basically to hold and protect the opening itself to a certain extent. This should also let enough air pass through the grill so that he has no problem with heat. And ideally, I don't know how he's going to paint up the piece there, but if he did paint the radiator white and did the flag stripes in red and in the field with blue, he could probably make that pop. But however he does it, we got the figurine of the Patriot attitude into his project. All right, let's go ahead and cut this out and see how it looks in real life. Okay, here we go. right, let's check it out. There we go. Depending on how the light hits it there. All right, we got to knock some dross off the back, kind of wipe it down, deburr it a little bit there, and we're going to be all set for our customer. We took the flapper wheel to the back side, got rid of all the dross and stuff. On the front side, I just take a rotary Scotch-Brite, a big one, and I hit the front side. All right, our customer can mount it and paint it and take care of whatever he wants to do to mount it onto that enclosure he's building. So until next time, get her done.